Coach H to do. I'm not asking Coach H to go and win the World Cup. It would be nice. But I'm not asking Coach H to go and win the World Cup. I'm saying, Coach H, this is your opportunity to show us what you can do in terms of building a philosophy moving forward. Because I am done with the days of playing against USA and all you do is receive the ball at the back, kick it up in the air and hope so Antonio can knock it down, get another player. I'm done those days, fam. We need to see some decent football. When I bring Damari Gray from Everton to go run up and down the left flank like a madman. No, Damari Gray needs to come and play football. 1-2 passes with the midfield, with the defense, with the forward line. Make intricate passes, get shots to goal. That's what he needs to be doing. He needs to be running up and down the flank like madman. But we read, same thing. We need to start playing football the way we know how to play football. And that's what I want to see, a philosophy. I want to see a philosophy in the football that we play in Jamaica. That's exactly what I want to see. So I'm looking forward to that.